down by the river. So there's a helicopter circling round looking for someone, I'm assuming. Good times. Good river. Clouds. I'm using my selfie stick. But yeah, it's over there somewhere. It's not the best thing really. And I'm sorry for the wind too, because it's very windy today. Can you hear it? Well, I hope so. Whoever it is okay. Change of scenery today. Lovely hairdo, as you do. So today's been a good day. Been out for a walk, obviously seen the helicopter thing. Hopefully whatever that was wasn't a bad thing, but it's gone now. Yeah, lovely little walk. Back to the usual tomorrow, but I will try my best to try and get good content out. And look at the wall, it looks so pretty. Yeah, get some good content. Know what I'm doing. I'm getting used to this. Much easier holding a stick. But yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Wait for the next one. I will see you again soon.